Today, using this luxury coach as an example, we're going to walk you through our two-step cleaning and disinfection process. Everything comes in our cleaning and disinfection kit, and we begin by mixing our concentrate with water. This is done in the ratio of 1 to 100, which means that 1 litre of concentrate will provide you with 100 litres of cleaner. Once thoroughly mixed, you can begin to clean and disinfect all hard surfaces. Our cleaner contains a biocide that not only kills bacteria and viruses during cleaning, when combined with step 2 in the process, it continues to kill them for up to 10 days. As you can see from the video, you should clean all hard surfaces thoroughly, especially those that are likely to be touched by anyone during normal day-to-day use. The initial cleaning is important in the disinfection process, but it's also important in preparing for step 2, which is a fogging application that's designed to ensure that all surfaces get treated. We recommend running the air conditioning system whilst fogging takes place, as this ensures the biocide coats the whole system. Don't forget to fog the luggage compartment as well as the passenger area, and that's it. Simply repeat this process every 7 days for ongoing protection.